Can we get this out of the way? Perfect. Perfect. Wish you're in Jamaica, then you have to run. Relax your left. There we go. Yeah. But yeah, right there's that C4, C5, that area that always gives you fits. You know what?
I'm like, how did I do that? He said, looks like, did you injure it? I'm like, not that I know of.
Lay on your side facing me.
But I did, it was an accident.
That's how some of the best and worst things in life happen.
Well, that's true.
That is true. Shoulder. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
It hurt? Okay. Because it didn't move.
I know. That's why I was like,
Push your shoulder back. Breathe.
Ah!
Whoa. All right, that one moved.
Well, you're not putting it on the thing anyway, so it doesn't matter.
I'm usually about 2 weeks behind on videos most of the time.
Mm.
Those were nice, right?
Yeah, they were.
That first one was.
Let's go face